My name is Mike Winters. I am Senior Vice President and Chief Information Officer at Hydro One. I count on SAP for all elements of my core business. Hydro One is the primary transmitter of electricity within the province of Ontario. We also distribute electricity directly to over 1.3 million homes and businesses throughout the province. Over our service territory, which includes the entire province, we have a little over 6,000 employees performing our duties.
What will the split be between field employees and folks that are in the office?
The vast majority of our employees are working in the field. So when it comes to productivity and throughput, there's definitely a focus for us on our field workforce. At Hydro One, we are absolutely focused on mobile technologies and mobile processes. We have a workforce that is spread throughout the province. They're not desk-bound. So if I can get that information into the hands of the employees at the right time, get them to perform the work, status the work, feed it back to the planners and the operators, and more importantly, real-time feedback to our end customers, there's a huge benefit in that. So we are doing mobility now from a station maintenance and a pole inspection, but we want to take it to the next level eventually, and it's a key element of my business technology roadmap. What we've done within Hydro One is we're using SAP end-to-end. We continue to build on our SAP capabilities, or our business capabilities using SAP. As I mentioned, customer information and billing is a key element of that. Enterprise resource planning, customer information and billing, work management, asset management, supply chain, human resources, payroll, time reporting, finance. So it's we are very dependent on SAP, but that dependence again allows us to rationalize our work processes, our information, and in essence allows us to perform work better than what we have in the past. It is incumbent upon us to track the benefits and to be able to prove to our stakeholders, which include our shareholder, the provincial government, our regulator, the Ontario Energy Board, as well as obviously our end customer, that we are actually realizing the benefits from this transformation project or projects. We've seen pricing improvements in the 10, 15, and sometimes with some pretty large equipment, 30% improvements in prices that we're able to procure at. From an overall material management standpoint and material procurement, we've seen in the range of 4% improvement. And when you're talking about $500 million in procurement of materials on an annual basis, that makes a significant improvement. On a near-term basis, what we're looking to do is really around business intelligence, and we use business objects to help us with our reporting and our key performance indicators. So what I really want to do is get some of those stats and KPIs, and even the graphical representation of those, into the hands of our office workers and our executive, whether it be on an iPad or some other device, but it allow them to be able to see the status of the overall system and how we're doing performance-wise. When they want it, how they want it is pretty important to us. Our industry as a whole, the electricity industry, is transforming. I'm proud to say that at Hydro One we are helping transform the industry rather than sitting back and waiting to be transformed. We need to increase our business and improve our business capability, and to do so we need the solid information systems, and when I think of solid information systems, I start with SAP.